Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. So let's start. First let's go to Google Chrome and then let's go to the three dots on the top right corner and then just click here on settings. Then here on settings on the left side you will have the option privacy and security. Just click it here and then just click here on security. As you can see here, we have enhanced protection. It means that Google protects your account for downloads and so on. So if you want to stop doing it, so just click here on the protection no recommend here and turn off. Okay. In that way, you can stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. So that's the way to do it. I hope this information helps you. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumb up and subscribe to our channel.